Hey everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm back with a very exciting video. I'm gonna be doing a fall vlog, basically doing all of the fall things to get ready for fall. I love fall. Colors, the smells, everything about it. It's just the most elite season in my opinion. The day that pumpkin spice comes out is to me the first official day of fall, and when I feel like I can finally start getting ready for the fall season, putting my decorations out and shopping for fall decorations. We're gonna be doing all of the fall things, getting ready for fall. How many times can I say fall in this video? I'm so excited. I hope you guys enjoy and get in the fall mood after watching this. Definitely thumbs up if you guys want to see more fall vlogs on my channel. Comment below your favorite fall activity because I definitely want to do some more fall vlogs. I'd love to know your favorite thing to do in the fall time, some things that I could include in some future fall vlogs. Also let me know just like any fall content you'd like to see on my channel. I'm definitely going to be planning out some fall content, so I'd love to know what you guys would like to see. Let's just get into it. Of course, the first thing that we're going to be doing is getting a pumpkin spice. I'm literally so excited. I can't even express my excitement. I texted everybody in my family group chat this morning at like 7 a.m. that pumpkin spice is back with like a little gif. I'm so excited. I've been counting down the days for literally like the last month. I'm definitely getting a venti. Let's order it. The fall menu! I have a venti iced pumpkin spice with one less pump of the syrup. Thank you. Oh my gosh, here it is, pumpkin spice. I'm so excited. It's like that TikTok, if you were to ask me about pumpkin spice, I'd say I like it. But if you were to ask me on a deeper level, I'd say it's like the feeling of fall. So cozy and warm. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. I have to take a picture. I haven't been to Starbucks in a while and I kind of forget how big venti is. I'm gonna drink every single drop. Are you kidding me? It's a broken straw. Luckily I have backups in my car. I keep backup straws. I always keep backup straws in my car. I used to go to Starbucks every day. This straw is like defective too. So good though. There is something about Starbucks's pumpkin spice specifically. No other place does a pumpkin spice like Starbucks. And second of all, it's so good. It just captures fall. I think it tastes better with whipped cream. I already drank like half of it. There are a few things that I love as much as I love the Starbucks pumpkin spice. Go treat yourself and get a pumpkin spice. This is so good. I'm gonna be so tempted to get one every day now. Now that we've got our pumpkin spice latte, we're gonna do a little fall shopping. I'm gonna go to Target, look at their fall decorations. Also, we gotta go to Bath and Body Works. Gotta look at the fall candles. Also wanna go to Anthropologie. That's the plan, just a little fall shopping. Okay, let's go. The next day, I'm finally gonna decorate my apartment for fall, get out all the pumpkins. First, I wanna show you guys some of the fall things that I picked up. First, from Anthropologie, I got a couple little pumpkin mugs. I'm so excited about these. I recently got an espresso machine, so I've been making my lattes at home. I thought these would be so perfect for the fall season, making pumpkin spice lattes at home. I got this glass one for iced drinks and then this ceramic one for hot drinks. I thought they'd be so perfect for pumpkin spice lattes, making them at home. They're just so cute. I've been wanting to get some pumpkin mugs for the fall season. I also picked up this candle. This is a pumpkin clove scent. It smells so good. Oh, that smells so good. I'm really picky when it comes to scents. I get really bad migraines and I feel like scents is one of my biggest triggers. Like really strong cinnamon scents like really triggers a bad headache for me. I feel like I'm just like really particular with scents. There's really only a handful of scents that I really love and that don't give me a headache. When it comes to fall, this is like my favorite type of scent, and the packaging of this is just so cute and aesthetic. It's like a really nice decorative type candle, but then it also smells really good as well. Next up is Bath & Body Works. Speaking of candles, first is this white pumpkin candle. This is probably my #1 favorite fall scent. I also love the Harvest Wreath from Home Goods or like TJ Maxx or whatever. Those are like my top 2 favorite fall scents. Oh my gosh, this one just smells so good. It's so good. Every time I burn this, I'm just like obsessed with it. It smells so cozy and just like so fall. The Anthropologie one is super similar. The packaging is just so much cuter. I feel like that one just look really nice to kind of like set out. This one was actually free. I had a coupon for a free 3-wick candle. I had to get my favorite fall scent. Looking for like the perfect fall scent, I definitely recommend the white pumpkin. I also got a couple 1-wicks. Said I wasn't gonna go crazy with the candles, but I really just have no self-control. Comment below what your favorite fall scent is, if you have like a certain one that you buy year after year. I got this Afternoon Apple Picking. This is my favorite fall soap from Bath & Body Works. I always get it like every single year, except for this year because I already have some from last year that I didn't use. Just like my favorite scent. It's so fall, it's so fresh. I love like the fresh apple smell. It's so perfect at the beginning of fall as well. I also got this Pumpkin Apple. Of course, it's apple and pumpkin, my 2 favorites. I love this one. I think this one is so good. I feel like I've gotten this one the last couple years and I always like use the whole thing up before the end of fall. It's like one of my favorites, and I will not be buying another candle the rest of the fall. Next is Target. Don't worry, I didn't get any candles. It was really tempting because Magnolia had a lot of really good ones. Really cute packaging. First up is this little glass mug. And actually I will say Target did not fully have all their fall stuff out. Only the Magnolia section had the fall stuff. The regular Target section was not really set for fall yet. I haven't really shopped the full fall collection yet. I've gone to Target so many times and they just have not set out the fall stuff yet. It's probably for the best. I got this little fall glass. I feel like this would be perfect as like a little espresso glass, and I only have a couple espresso glasses since I got my machine, and I'm always like using those 2. It's a perfect little pumpkin spice color. It's just so cute and aesthetic. It'll look really nice just kind of sitting out on my espresso machine. I also got these fall colored dishcloths for my espresso machine. I kind of needed some darker colored like little cloths. You know, white ones just kind of get stained with the coffee and everything. Yeah, these will be perfect for that, and they'll kind of look kind of fall themed sitting there. Lastly are these little fall artificial leaves. They actually had some kind of sitting out in these little amber glass jars, but I actually have some amber glass jars, so I thought I could just get the leaves and just set them in the jars that I already have. That is everything that I picked up for fall. I think I'm gonna make a little pumpkin spice with one of my new little mugs and then start decorating. I'm so excited to just bring out all the fall decorations and have pumpkins everywhere and fall stuff everywhere. I'm just like really getting into the fall mood. How cute is this mug? I'm literally obsessed. This actually turned out so good. I used the pumpkin syrup that Whole Foods uses. It's this syrup right here, and I ordered it from Serious Sip. You can also get it on Amazon, but it's like more expensive. It's this pumpkin pie syrup. Whole Foods in their brown butter cookie latte, they use this and then caramel, so I ordered both of those. But then if I want to make a pumpkin, I just do this. I also ordered the Tarani pumpkin spice. I just haven't gotten it yet. Just do that, and then I added some cinnamon, and it's so good. I actually also made a hot one this morning, and it was really good. I just brought all my decorations up. Here's what we're working with. I've got a couple tubs of pillows, and then this has all my decorations in it. Oh my goodness, this makes me so happy. I've got a little fluffy pumpkin. Honestly, I try to kind of mix it up each year how I decorate, but I usually end up kind of doing it the same. I do have some little pampas grass. I kind of forgot I have this. I love little pumpkins. This is my favorite pumpkin. It's like a little knitted pumpkin. I got it at this little boutique last year, and it's like my favorite one. It's so cute. Some mini ones. You know, I have a lot of pumpkins. Here's what we're working with for the decorations. Mostly pumpkins, but we do have a few like little jars and stuff. Also kind of like cute decorative candles that I like to set out that are kind of fall themed. Just gonna get started with the decorating. almost done with the decorating, but I forgot to show you that I also got this little bundle of wheat grass stuff the other day at Target, and then I also got this white vase, so I thought this would look kind of cute. I was trying to decide if I like this better on my coffee table or this. For some reason I feel like the other one kind of looks better in my living room, like the colors. Let me know what you guys think. I just kind of like how this one is more neutral colored, and I feel like that vase just looks really chic and modern, and I think it'd look good for all of the seasons, and I can just like switch it out. Does this look too dead though? Here is the other one. I kind of like this one too. It's like really hard. I don't know, I need to like cut the little stems or something. Let me know what you guys think looks better. I think I'm just gonna do this one for now. And I'm gonna switch out this scent. This is like the Capri Blue Volcano candle from Anthropologie. I love it for all year round, but we're gonna switch it out for the pumpkin one. It is a little bit later. My apartment is completely decorated for fall. I'll show you guys some clips of what my apartment looks like all decorated. I think it turned out pretty cute. I do want to do a little fall baking. I want to make some little pumpkin cookies. I found a recipe on Pinterest. It's like chocolate chunk oatmeal pumpkin cookies, which is basically all my favorite things. I'm gonna watch some Gilmore Girls while I make the cookies because it's just like the ultimate fall show. I'm watching it for the first time. I'm still in the first season. Got to like all the iconic TikTok sounds, so we're just gonna watch that. Baking a chocolate chip pumpkin cookie. The cookie dough tastes so good. So excited to taste the actual cookies. Let's do a little taste test. Here's what the cookies look like. They're really good. I sprinkled some sea salt on it. It's super good. These might just be my new favorite cookie. I definitely recommend making these. That is everything for this fall vlog. I really hope you enjoyed and are now more in the fall spirit. I'm definitely more in the fall mood, especially after decorating. Definitely thumbs up if you'd like to see more fall vlogs. Comment below your favorite fall activity. I didn't get to do all the fall things in this video, so I'm definitely gonna do another fall vlog. Let me know what I should do, some things you like to do for fall. Comment this emoji if you stayed until the end. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in a couple days for my next video. Bye.